Okay, I just got a $10,000 raise. What do I get to keep and how much goes to the tax man? What do you think? What do I get to keep? It is a trick question. It depends. You need another piece of information. I'm going to show you a few things that you can use to figure out the answer to that question in the province that you live in. Now, before we do that, look at this. You should bookmark this. EY stands for Ernst & Young, or at least it used to. I think they changed their name from Ernst & Young. It's an accounting firm to EY. So EY.com tax calculators. If you Google EY tax calculators, you'll get to this page. Okay, so let me expand this. Okay, personal calculator. This is a very important tool. But for now, we're going to use this. We're going to go back to the personal calculator. Canadian personal tax rates. Let's click on Ontario. Okay, so here we go. Got a $10,000 raise. Well, okay, if I was earning nothing and I get a $10,000 raise, let's say I'm a student and I start working in the summer and I earn $10,000, how much of that $10,000 do I get to keep? My tax rate is 0. I get to keep the whole thing. Now, you might be taxed at source, so there might be something coming off your check, but when you go to file your tax return, you will get it all back. Okay, now let's say I earn 50 and get a $10,000 raise. So I am in this tax bracket right here, $47,000 to $77,000. My marginal tax rate is 29.65%. This is marginal tax rates. Okay, so 29.65%. So of the $10,000, $2,965 is sent to the tax man, and I get to keep $7,035. Now let's say my income is $110,000 and I get the $10,000 raise. Okay, so I am in this bracket right here, 43.41. Of the 10,000, 4,341 is going to the tax man, and I get to keep $5,659. Now let's say life is going really well and I earn $500,000 and I get a raise to $510,000. I'm in the top marginal tax bracket in Ontario. I should say this is federal and provincial personal income tax. So it's federal and provincial rates combined. So $10,000 raise, boosting my income from $500,000 to $510,000. 5,353 of the 10,000 is sent to the tax man, and I get to keep 4,647. Now, let me show you this. My salary is 70, and I get a $10,000 raise to 80. So I am here. I'm in this bracket, 29.65, but my raise is going to move me into this bracket. So what does that mean? I'm earning $70,000 and I get a $10,000 raise. Well, $7,317 is still going to be taxed at 29.65, and the remainder of the $10,000 is going to be taxed at 31.48. So we could do the calculation here. It's easy to do, but we don't need to, because we can go to the personal tax calculator. So I want to show you how this works. Okay, click on that, personal tax calculator, 2019 personal tax calculator. They'll be coming out with a 2020 pretty darn soon. This is still the same website, and there's the address. Okay, so first thing I do is I plug in 70,000. Hit calculate. So in Ontario, I owe $13,990 on $70,000 worth of income. My after tax is $56,010. Now we plug in 80. So on 80,000, my tax bill jumps to $17,004, and my after tax is $62,996. Okay, so $62,996 $30,996 less $56,010, which was the after-tax income on $70,000, means I get to keep $6,986 of the $10,000 raise. Okay, so a $10,000 raise off an income of $70,000, $3,014 is sent to the tax man, and I get to keep $6,986. So my rate on that $10,000 raise was 30.14% because it was a blend between the two tax brackets. So I hope that helps. So again, if you get a $10,000 raise, you really don't know what your after-tax income is. You do know this though. You know that the most you will be taxed is 53.53, and the least you will be taxed is 0%. So you keep all 10,000 here, you keep less than half in these two tax brackets, and then you can see the difference. You don't really need this page, but this page is important to kind of gain the understanding because all the information you need is on the tax calculator. So there you go. My next video is I just made a $10,000 RSP contribution. How much does my tax bill fall? And it's kind of a similar answer to the to what we just answered here. Okay, thank you for watching. Upward and onward.